There are 23 chromosomes from mum and 23 from dad, and there you are, they got them all together, so they make 23 pairs of chromosomes called genes, and you've probably heard of the human genome. What is the human genome? Well, it's the full complement of everything that is stored in our genetic codes about us. Our height, the colour of our eyes, how our cells become eye cells, lung cells, and all the other cells. Everything about it is stored in our genetic code. And it's why we're all different. Just to make you laugh, here is a picture of Miss World 2011 in London. And one thing you'll notice of all the attractive ladies, they all look different. It's because they've all got a different genome, different structures. Now, I'm not going to tell you a great deal about the cell because simply I haven't got time. But there's a very important part of the cell in the periphery, which you saw in the video, called the ribosome. There's the ribosome in the periphery of the cell. And one of the things the ribosome does, a little factory, it makes the genetic code called messenger RNA into proteins. And the proteins are all very, very different. Now here's a stylized picture of a cell. I'm not going to spend a lot of time telling you about a cell. It's got a cell membrane, a nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, lysomes, vacuoles, and cytoplasmic filling, and all sorts of other pieces beside. What I am going to show you is the end product of what these cells look like. And what I want you to notice is all how very different they are. For example, here's a brain cell. Brain cells, they store our memory, millions and millions and trillions of connections. All right? Here is a heart cell to keep our heart pumping 60 times a minute for 70 years. And very rarely does it go wrong. Next one is our liver cell. Our liver cells, they make blood and they process all our. It's basically the central factory of our body. I'll be doing a whole program about the liver. Here's our bone cells, and they're very, very strong. They're calcium. That's why they're all white, because they're mostly calcium. Do you notice how different they are? Here are blood cells. They're like little saucers, and they're carrying oxygen.